Be right there. Give me a minute.
Cusco! Whoa! Cusco! Beauty! The vial!
For the last time, we did not order a giant trampoline.
You know, pal, you could have told me that before I set it up.
The vial!
You thinking what I'm thinking?
Get to it! Get on that, mates! No.
I win.
Yeah!
What are the odds that trapdoor leading me out here?
What was with the running? If you can call that running.
I was giving you time to catch up.
Aw, you big lug.
Here, let me get this for you.
Well,
Good
see
on
ya
ya,
on the other
mates!
side.
Oh, now you stop being so hard on yourself. All is forgiven.
You're sure?
Oh, it's not the first time I was tossed out a window, and it won't be the last. What can I say? I'm a rebel.
Oh, Tiger. Oh, hey, I gotta use that arm later. Okay, buddy, take care. He's a sweet guy.